Hey there, and welcome back to another book review for piano teachers. This week we are looking at the wonderful Grand Duets for Piano from Melody Bober, published by Alfred. These are one of my go-to series, and the thing I really love about them is actually how easy they are at the beginner level. They start off really very simple. You have two evenly leveled parts, so they're perfect for my buddy students and my partner students to use together, and any sibling pairs, anything you have like that. But they start at a really beginner level, and they're some of the easiest to combine. So for those that are new to duets, these are really great because it's easier to put them together than other pieces that might look easy to read at first sight, but they're actually quite challenging to fit together. There are 6 levels of these books, and obviously I can't include samples from every single book in this video, or it would be like an hour long. So I've chosen a couple of samples. The first one is from book 1. It is called Listen to the Wind, and I've recorded the secundo part in advance so that you can hear the two together. This is how it goes. Okay, so that was Listen to the Wind. I think you can see how easily those parts fit together. In book 1, it's all in middle C position, which I don't absolutely love, but it does work well for these beginner pieces, and the main thing I like about them is how easily they fit together. As I said, that never is one part resting for 2.5 beats and then coming in. Stuff like that is completely left out of those series, so they're a great introduction to duets. The next one I'm going to take for you is from book 3. It's called Jalapeno Hop, and yeah, it's a nice fun little piece, quite contrasting to Listen to the Wind. I hope you enjoyed those pieces. It at least gives you a little bit of a taste of what they might be like when you have 2 people there. I love using these books. I have given them to all sorts of students. So I have buddy students, I have siblings, I have partner students. I've also given these to a mother and a daughter who happen to both be taking lessons. Any grouping of students at the same level will work great. I love all of the books, right the way from the book 1, which is very beginner, up to book 6, which is like a late intermediate kind of a level. Really fantastic arrangements, great for recitals. I hope that you'll check them out and use them with your students. Personally, I buy most of my piano books from Book Depository, so that's where I would have bought these. You can also find them on Amazon and on the Alfred site, and we'll leave links directly below this video. I hope you enjoyed this book review. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel while you're here. See you soon.